Hi, everybody. Just about 8 o'clock on this Tuesday evening, and it's time to talk about this winter storm watch that the National Weather Service has popped up for our area. So I'll do it with my website. So this is the home page on the desktop site. You can also find all this information on the app. And again, if you just go to your Android or your iPhone and just do a verbal search for Portland weather, will be one of the first ones that pop up. You look for my logo there, portlandweather.com. At any rate, on both, you'll go to the hamburger menu, and if you look for weather headlines, it will get you to this latest entry. You can click on read more. And here, I've written a few things, but you can see the map put out by the National Weather Service. And notice in blue, now this is a winter storm watch right now. It could become a warning. I think it will be. But for right now, because it's still projected out of ways, it's a winter storm watch. This is for Thursday morning through Friday morning. And in blue, it includes all of western Oregon except for the beaches. It includes all of southwest Washington, again, except for the coast. It includes the gorge out through Hood River. It does include you folks for the Dalles as well, and then up into the Cascades. So it's everywhere, right? And then under headlines, I basically just talked about the potential just for Thursday alone into Friday morning of 4 to 6 inches of snow with some sleet mixed in. Again, sleet is when there's a mid-layer of warm weather in the atmosphere. So at some point you have the snow falling from the cloud. It hits the warmer air. It melts into a raindrop. And then that raindrop falls and gets back into colder air right before it gets down to the ground. It freezes in the air as a chunk of ice before it hits, and that's sleet. That stuff is really nasty and can accumulate like an ice rink, right? So we're looking at that. Anyway, so that map, if you're interested in seeing it, just go to my my weather headline link. I want to go ahead and take you now right to my 7-day page. And first we'll look. So again, tomorrow's a dry day. Tomorrow's a great day to get out and get some things done, right? Maybe, I hate to say stock up, but if you want to stock up on some stuff, tomorrow's the day to do it. A day a lot like today, 46 degrees. Thursday morning, we wake up, and I have all this written down. I'm going to get to that. Thursday morning, we wake up to above freezing temperatures. Could be some light rain, but the temperatures fall during the day. I'll get into that. Snow showers on Friday. What could be heavy snow on Saturday. Sunday potentially is the day that we start to lose the gusty east winds when we warm up. And on President's Day, on Washington's birthday anyway, on Monday, it's just all good fashioned rain. So here's what I have written, and let's start with Thursday. Winter storm watch in effect. Falling temps during the day with early rain and temps near 36 to afternoon temperatures falling to freezing with a mix of sleet and snow in the area. Accumulations of ice and snow with icy roadways expected, the gusty east winds. And then Thursday overnight, by Friday morning, we could be looking at 4 to 6 inches of snow with ice accumulation as well. So that's the classic case that can give us big time issues. Starts out, it's not bad. During the day, the temperature drops. Next thing you know it, we've got icy roadways that have developed and people are trying to race to get home, and that can be a big mess. Friday's kind of a quiet day. I've got 2 to 4 inches of possible snow showers. If anything, it could be less than that. Maybe it's more like an inch or two. But that should be all snow with gusty east winds and highs not getting above freezing. There's a front that comes in Saturday afternoon, right about 4 p.m. Well, this could draw in a little bit of warmth and get us back into a sleet mixture. If it's all snow, that is a snowstorm day with 8 inches and maybe more accumulating just that day. That decreases Saturday night behind the front, and then we're just about out of it. So, here's what I'm looking at as a forecaster. Clearly, this is Tuesday. Things could change. But as a forecaster, the model output has been going crazy with total moisture. So the total moisture, what we call the QPF, Quantitative Precipitation Forecast, 1.60 to 2 inches for Portland of total liquid moisture available to turn into snow. That's from Thursday through Saturday night. So if almost all of that is snow, or even a lot of it with some sleet mixed in, we've got at least 8 inches of snow on the ground total, and maybe we've got over a foot, and maybe we've got 12 to 20 inches of snow, all total from what develops Thursday into Saturday overnight, with the biggest pure snowstorm day potentially being Saturday. But again, I'm not sure. There could be some sleet mixed in to that as well. And of course, that would knock down the total depth of snow. But this could be a good old-fashioned all-out winter storm. So there's your heads up. I don't know how right I am. I don't know how wrong I am. It's too early to tell. This forecast could change tomorrow. But this is meant to be a big heads up to pay attention. There's at least a chance of a major winter storm event between Thursday and Saturday night in our area. It's my job to tell you that. Okay, we'll see what happens. I'll talk to you tomorrow.